Hi, this is Terry from Fabric Junction as we continue our travels with Tenlees Puzzle. Our block today is actually a bit different than what we've done. A couple things you've done. The center is a square on the square. We have half square triangles in the outer points, but one of the differences, we're going to set our centerpiece on point. So let's go back, and here is all my pieces. Just a little reminder on our square in the square, how we fold our right sides together, do a little press to make just a little crease, wrong sides together on our other piece, small crease, and then we cup them together. And then to keep them from shifting around, a quick pin into the machine. We'll do our 1/4 inch seam. Okay, and then we're going to press. Clip our dog ears. Now, to do our framing, you would add the left and the right, and to our other rectangles we added little squares that'll go in the corner, so that this will create this beautiful picture-like center. So there's our center. Now our corners are big triangles that we're putting together using our square in the square. So go back and use your square in the square method. And then, as we've done a couple different times, we're going to add another triangle to the corner. And to the opposite corner, we want to make sure we're getting it to look the right way, because it is so easy to get a triangle turned wrong and not have them look all the same. Trust me, I've done it many times. So once we have created our large triangles, we need to give it a little press. Cut off the dog ear. And now we're going to set them on each side to create our block on point. Now, just as a reminder, so on this particular side, what you need to do is find that center again, like we do when we do our square in the square. So find just a little press on it, and that gives you the space to line up on that corner. So we use the technique of sticking our pin right in that X, come down about a 1/4 inch. If you're not sure, go ahead and put a little dot there. Line the two pieces up. Second pin, in, out, pull the first pin out, and then your little dog ears should extend past, because you need those, because remember, that's all your part of your seam allowance. And line that up and stitch it, and then make sure you cross your little intersection so you don't cut the point off on your triangle. Anyway, that's what you need to do to create your block. Hope you like this one. It's actually quite fun and pretty, and it's a great block that will stand alone in a quilt by itself. So just get creative with what you're doing. So thank you for watching us here at Fabric Junction. Check out all the buttons at the bottom, like the thank you button, and the information that Chris adds to the video. and we enjoy having you join us.